Hello everyone, welcome back to our journey, Life After Marriage. I have shared how we met and got married, but today I am sharing my life after marriage. I am a wife, I'm a mom, and I'm a student nurse. This Ramadan, I'll be focusing on growth, spiritually and personally. This is a peaceful day in my life.
Being at home doesn't mean doing nothing, it means building a home with love. I'm balancing marriage, motherhood, and my dream of becoming a nurse. It's not always easy, but I move with purpose.
إذ نادى ربه نداء خفيا قال رب إني وهن العظم مني واشتعل الرأس شيبا ولم أكن بدعائك رب شقيا
Thank you for spending this peaceful Ramadan day with me. I'm growing, learning, and building one day at a time. I'm grateful to a partner who encourages me to grow. Don't forget to subscribe and follow